HUMA stock analysis and price predictions for Monday, 11th of August. Is it a buy or not? Let's see where's Humacyte going for the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. Generally speaking, yeah, it's about catching the right timing. I was hoping I saw a double shift from here and then I take things up. Came lower and then pumped up, right? So I never took this trade. I even abandoned it. You know, that's why I accumulated 2 longs there, but that's that. I'll just mark down the demand zone, and this might be cruel, but without the price giving me my confirmation, I'm just not gonna buy, even though if it goes up without me, so be it, you know. I'm not supposed to be a part of every single trade. That's all there is. Impossible. I'm not an algorithm, I'm merely just following my edge, but not a robot. And if rules are not met, I'm not moving forward. By the way, all again, is guaranteed. If I follow edge, I know I'll be good, right? Now, please do your own due diligence. This is not a financial advice. And if you want to get free money-making emails and insights, stock picks, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.